Hey everybody, here's another little art towel from handsofawoman.com, and this is Aunt Cathy here, and this cute little cow is from a design by artist Teresa Davis, and this is the first piece of her work that I've formatted and bringing to you. This little cow was embroidered on a very light linen in lavender stripe, and it's quite a dense embroidery, but it has stayed very soft hand on the fabric, and that's what the back of it looks like. And this towel has been washed and dried on hot, and I did press it because they just look just horrible when they come out of the dryer for the first time. Anyway, it's about 23 inches long and about 13 inches wide on 100% linen. That's a little cow here by artist Teresa Davis, and she's from Mississippi, and this will be her first piece. She's a primitive artist, and she has some wonderful pieces. I hope you go to the website and look at some of her artwork on her page. Just look under art and look for Teresa Davis and see some of the pieces that she's done, and she will take commissions then if you want her to paint you a picture, and we'll be working on bringing some of these to you. Now this cow here, the full embroidery is about 8.5 inches by 5 inches, and that's been washed and dried then, and it's pre-shrunk when it's coming to you. Here's what the back looks like, and here's what it looks like folded in half then for your kitchen. Thanks for stopping by. Bye bye.